If linear equations confuse you, this video will fix that. What are linear equations? A linear equation is an algebraic equation where each term is either a constant or the product of a constant and a single variable raised to the first power. Here are some linear and nonlinear examples. Remember, when solving linear equations, the most important thing to remember is that the equation will remain equivalent to the original equation only if we always treat both sides equally. Whenever we do something to one side, we must do the exact same thing to the other side. Linear equations in one variable. If 2x minus 1 equals 5, what is the value of x? First, add 1 both sides. Then, divide both sides by 2. X equals 3. Linear equations in two variables. Sometimes we're given an equation in two variables and we're told the value of one of the variables. Plug the value of the known variable into the equation and solve. Example, if 2x plus 5y equals minus 1 and x equals minus 3, what is the value of y? Replace minus 3 with x. Then add 6 both sides. Divide both sides by 5. Y equals 1. That's it. How many solutions can a linear equation have? Most linear equations on the SAT have exactly one solution. Linear equations with no solutions or infinitely many solutions must be engineered by specifying the values of constants. If the equation can be rewritten in the form x equals a, where a is a constant, then that equation has one solution. If the variable can be eliminated from the equation, and what remains is the equation a equals b, where a and b are different constants, then the equation has no solution. Similarly, if the equation can be rewritten in the form x equals x, then the equation has infinitely many solutions. No matter what the value of x is, it will always equal itself. Let's look at some examples. If a equals 2 in the equation above, what value of x satisfies the equation? For a equals 2, we have 2x minus 1 equals 2x minus 2. If we subtract 2x from both sides of the equation, we're left with minus 1 equals minus 2. However, minus 1 cannot equal minus 2 no matter what the value of x is, so no value of x satisfies the equation. Another example. If a equals 2 in the equation above, what value of x satisfies the equation? For a equals 2, we have 2x minus 4 equals 2 times x minus 2. If we add 4 to both sides of the equation, we're left with 2x equals 2x. 2x is always equal to 2x no matter what the value of x is. All real values of x satisfy the equation. Linear equations are not about memorizing formulas. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. Comment "Ready" if you understand this. Follow for real SAT math questions.